Good Sunday morning, everybody, and if you're in the UK, happy Mother's Day. The coffee's on. I can hear Michelle upstairs talking to the device. Michelle's going to dye her hair. I'm going to do some editing, and then we're going to go visit Michelle's parents. Moving on. Go on, you're doing a fantastic job. Keep going. Keep cleaning. Clean the lines. That's it. Yes, we've been driving this car for a couple of months now and not been able to see out the window properly. Or backwards now. So Michelle's decided enough's enough. And she's going to put me to shame by actually doing something about it. Even though it's me you can't see. Streak-free shine. No. It lies.
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm thinking.
It's better than it was though.
Give the bit in front a wipe. You know, down it.
Down at eyeball level. Ow. Ow.
It should just dry. It's probably just because it's still slightly wet.
It's better. Right, we're off to Michelle's mum and dad's for Mummy's Day.
Yeah, it's Mother's Day in Britain today.
Yeah. Moving on. Okay guys, that's us back from Michelle's mum and dad's. That's Mother's Day. That was a very good visit. Enjoyed that. What is it now? 7 o'clock. We're back home. About to watch a couple of hours of TV, settle down and kind of relax for the last few hours before starting the working week tomorrow. Anyway, cup of tea and we'll watch some TV. Moving on. Okay guys, that's Sunday over with, that's the weekend over with. Just watched a bit of Marple. It's getting on for 10 o'clock, so I think it's time to go to bed because we have to be up at ordinary time tomorrow. So it's a good night from me.
It's a good night from him.
Good night, see you all in the morning. Start of the working week.